Hello students, let's discuss the question. In this question we are given that show that the relation R in R here is representing the real number, is defined as R is equals to A comma B such that A is less than equals to B square, is reflexive, symmetric and transmittive but not symmetric. So here we are given the relation R which is equals to A comma B such that A is less than and equals to B square. And here we are given that R is a set of real numbers. So if R is a set of real numbers, so both A and B are real. So from here, firstly we are considering about the reflexive condition. Reflexive. So we know that for the reflexivity, if A comma A belongs to R, A comma A it is. We know that A is equals to A is equals to A and A is a real number where A is real number. So if A is equals to A, so we can say that A is less than and equals to A. So if A is less than and equals to A, we can say that A comma A belongs to R. If it is so, then we can say that the function is reflexive. So it is reflexive. Now we are considering about the symmetric condition. So here we are considering about the symmetry. Symmetry is that if A comma B belongs to R, then we can say that B comma A too belongs to R. So here A comma B, the condition is that A is less than and equals to B, then we can say that B must be less than and equals to A. Let's say this is our A, this is our B, this is the condition that is A is less than equals to B, and this is the condition, let's say B is less than and equals to A. If the value of A is 1, value of B is 1, so 1 is less than and equals to 1, so it is yes. 1 is less than and equals to 1, so it is yes. But if the value of A is 1, B is 2, again 1 is less than 2, also we can say that this condition is satisfied, but 2 is not less than and equals to 1, so this condition is not satisfied. So we can say that this function is not symmetric. Now we are considering about the transitive. The condition for the transitive is that if A comma B belongs to R and B comma C belongs to R, then we can say that A comma C belongs to R. The condition is that A comma B is less than A is less than equals to B, B is less than and equals to C, then A is less than and equals to C. So here if A is a number, let's say A, B, C, this is the condition, A is less than and equals to B, B is less than and equals to C, and C is less than and equals to A. Sorry, it's A is less than and equals to C. If A is 1, B is 2, C is 3, so 1 is less than 2, so this is satisfied. 2 is less than 3, so this is satisfied, and 1 is also less than 3. So this is also satisfied. If it is 1, 1, 1, so A is less than equals to B, satisfied. B is less than equals to C, satisfied. A is less than equals to C, satisfied. So from here we can say that if A is a number which is less than B and B is the number which is less than C, so it is obvious that A is a number which is less than equals to C. So from here we can say that the condition is satisfied, so the function is transitive. So we can say that the given relation is reflexive and transitive but not symmetric. So this is the answer to given question. So students, in order to solve this problem, we use the basic concept of relations and functions. I hope you understood the concept well. Thank you.
Don't forget to like and subscribe.